In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your data in Shopify effectively. Whether you're running a small online boutique or managing a large e-commerce platform, understanding your store's analytics is crucial. Shopify provides built-in features that make it easy to see how your store is doing at a glance. But for those looking for more in-depth analysis, there are additional tools available. So let's get started and explore these essential features together. First, you'll want to log into your Shopify account, and once you're in, take a look at the left-hand side of your dashboard. Here, you'll see a panel containing various options. One of the key tabs you should familiarize yourself with is Analytics. By clicking on this tab, you immediately gain access to an array of data and statistics that tell you how your Shopify store is performing. The Analytics section gives you a comprehensive overview of vital metrics, such as total sales, conversion rates, average order value, and more. These insights are invaluable and help you understand your strengths and potential areas for improvement. This data is presented in an easy-to-read format with graphs and charts, which makes it accessible even if numbers aren't your strong suit. Now, while Shopify's built-in analytics are pretty robust, sometimes you might want even more detailed data or specialized insights that cater to your specific needs. For this, you'll want to consider third-party analytical tools. Head over to the Shopify App Store, which is conveniently accessible within your Shopify dashboard. This is where you can search for and discover a range of apps designed to provide enhanced analytical capabilities. Simply type Analytics into the search bar, and you'll be presented with a variety of applications that offer deeper insights into customer behavior, detailed sales tracking, and much more. Each app comes with its own unique features, so be sure to read reviews and descriptions to find the one that best suits your business needs. Some apps might even offer free trials, giving you a chance to test out their features before committing. Remember, the key to growing your online business is understanding your customers and your performance. Regularly checking your analytics helps you see what's working and what needs adjustment. Invest some time in exploring both Shopify's own analytic offerings and third-party tools to ensure you have the most comprehensive view of your data. And that's all there is to it. With these tools at your disposal, you're well equipped to track your data in Shopify and make informed decisions to drive your business forward. Thank you for tuning into this guide, and I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to hit the subscribe button for more tips and tutorials to help you thrive in the e-commerce world. Until next time, happy selling.